An elderly man with hypertension and flank pain becomes hypotensive. तो डायग्नोसिस क्या रहेगा? एब्डोमिनल aortic एन्यूरिज्म। पहले हाइपरटेंशन में था, फिर हाइपोटेंसिव हो गया, तो क्या है? एब्डोमिनल aortic एन्यूरिज्म। सेकंड, एन एल्डरली पेशेंट with diabetes mellitus, bed burn, or multiple trauma presents with right upper quadrant abdominal pain, nausea and vomiting, and fever. This is acalculous cholecystitis. Dark, velvety, and thickened skin in posterior neck and axilla. This is acanthosis nigricans. Deafness, ataxia, ipsilateral facial weakness, and cerebellar signs. Acoustic neuroma. Painful eye starting in a darkened room and cloudy cornea. Acute angle closure glaucoma. Sickle cell patient with cough, chest pain, tachypnea, elevated white blood cell count, and chest X-ray study infiltrate. This is acute chest syndrome. Painful ulcerated gray tissue on gums. Acute necrotizing ulcerative gingivitis. Weakness, anorexia, dehydration, and hyperpigmentation. Hyperpigmentation is because of increase in ACTH. ACTH के बढ़ने से होता है, that is adrenal insufficiency primary or Addison's disease. Then weakness, anorexia, and dehydration, but no hyperpigmentation. This is adrenal insufficiency and it is secondary. Intubated patient deteriorates after helicopter air embolism. Anorexia, abdominal pain, jaundice, and tender hepatomegaly. Anorexia, abdominal pain, jaundice, and tender hepatomegaly. This is alcoholic hepatitis. Chronic alcoholic with recent history of heavy alcohol consumption and now with nausea and vomiting, abdominal pain, and acidosis. This is alcoholic ketoacidosis. Foul taste and painful gum site following tooth extraction. This is alveolar osteitis. An elderly patient with sudden unilateral painless loss of vision in a curtain-like manner. It is amaurosis fugax. Absent motor function, loss of pain and temperature sensation distal to lesion, and normal vibration and position sensation. Vibration and position sensation are normal. This is anterior cord syndrome. Brief upper respiratory infection followed by hypoxia, dyspnea, chest X-ray showing mediastinal widening. Mediastinal widening, that is adenopathy. It is anthrax, that is inhalation, due to inhalation. Hypertensive patient with tearing severe chest pain radiating to back. This is aortic dissection. Elderly patient with dyspnea, chest pain, syncope, and systolic murmur radiating to neck. This is aortic stenosis. Atrial fibrillation and apathy in elderly. It is apathic thyrotoxicosis. Multiple painful lesion on labial and buccal mucosa. This is aphthous stomatitis. Erythematous, pruritic and scaly patches on dorsal areas, that is palms and soles. Atopic dermatitis. Sickle cell patient with pain in hip and difficulty in walking. Avascular necrosis of femoral head.